G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Winton area, rules in millimetres, materials wetted, the white that you're seeing there is a reflection of the lights. Colour finishes where you can see it there, so it just needs to be a little long triangular piece. It's just a little stone. I don't think the brown will come out much more, but you can try. It's been rubbed down. This piece had a better stone cut out of it, unfortunately, but there's another seam of opal on the back here. Whether it's worth chasing or not, still that's a nice stone there. Again, a mixture of backing material and colour. The brown seems to come up through there, so that's what you're going to end up with. This is a nice little bright stone. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.